Hey guys, Lumen's 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor. How to use it? What it is basically a handheld beauty device with 7 different LED light therapy modes. Each color, wavelength for skin texture, anti-wrinkle, acne, etc. Also includes massage or message, EMS, vibration features to lift, sculpt, promote lymphatic drainage, compact, portable design, often battery or charge power. How to use it? Cleanse your skin, apply light layer of conductive gel or serum if recommended. Power on and choose mode. Pick LED color wavelength in massage or EMS mode. Gently move over your skin. In upward strokes, cover desired zones, jawline, cheeks, neck, etc. The time limit commonly between 5 to 15 minutes per session. Follow the manual. And the frequency should be once or twice a daily or several times per week per instructions. Post-treatment care. Apply your regular moisturizers, sunscreen, avoid overexposure. Alright? Many people or some users say the massage and vibration feels pleasant and may reduce puffiness or fluid under chin, but they are unsure whether the LED effects themselves are dramatically effective with irregular use. Trustpilot reviews note delays in delivery and sometimes vague manual instructions. Some light modes don't vibrate. Always be careful with skin sensitivity. Avoid broken skin. Check if your skin or medical conditions contradict light or microcurrent therapy. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.